Hi there. We are going to create a playlist on how to deploy our Node.js application to the VPS server, and we will show two examples on a regular Node.js application and another on a Manstack application, and then we will see that how can we uh, reverse proxy our Node.js application to the Apache web server. So let's see. Uh, we will create or deploy our Manstack application in our VPS server, and then we will configure our reverse proxy with our domain name. So let's if you do not have a, VPS server or a domain name, so don't worry, we will use a virtual box for our domain name VPS server, and we will create our dummy domain name so that we can configure for our machine. So let's see in our next tutorial.